Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to Dress to Jet. Today I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be bringing on my Disney World vacation. So I lived in Orlando for 7 years previously, and I've lived in California for 6 years. So we're going back just to go to Disney World, and I'll be in the parks for 3 days and then visiting friends and doing other things in the Orlando area for another 3 days. So I'm just going to show you what I'm bringing with me to kind of balance out like functional park wear and then, just doing other things. I don't want to be dressed in head to toe Disney the whole time I'm there. So let's see what I'm taking. In my last packing video, which was for my trip to Europe, I'll link that above and below, I went for a full-blown capsule wardrobe and it worked really well. I used everything that I brought and I didn't feel like there was any wasted suitcase space. So for this trip, I'm only going for a week, so I had a little more leeway, even though I still, want to be very mindful about how much clothes I'm bringing. So first I'm gonna start with pants. I'm only bringing 2 pairs of pants. I am just bringing a regular, my tried and true American Eagle, just regular blue denim jeans. And then I'm bringing these comfy but stylish kind of plaid pants. They are from New Look, and they've been in a haul, my Europe vacation haul. So these are really comfy, but they're actually kind of dressy and cool, so you can do a lot with them because of the pattern and everything. So these are kind of very different pants, so I can get a lot of different looks out of both of them. The jeans will be mainly for when I'm in the park all day. So most of the things that I brought can be paired with either of these. So I believe it's about a 5-hour flight from San Francisco to Orlando, so I want to be really comfy when I fly, which is the usual thing. I always want to be comfy when I fly, but especially for 5+ hour flights. So for travel days, I'm going to just wear my jeans, and I'm just going to bring this like super comfy Cleveland, CLE Cleveland, kind of sweater. It's from the Cleveland Clothing Co., which they have a really cool online store. I mean, I'm from Cleveland, so that's why I want this stuff. But yeah, it's really comfy and it's warm enough, but not too thick. So I'll be wearing that like we're lazing around in the hotel room, and then I'll be wearing it on the plane there and back. So for my 3 days in the park, I am going to go very casual. I want to be very comfortable. So the first shirt that I have is one that I got for Christmas, and it's just this Beauty and the Beast t-shirt. So I'll be wearing that with jeans, and I have a few like layering pieces that I'll show you because it's going to be in the high 60s, and then that might change between now and when I go, and you never know on the day in Florida, so especially this time of year. So yeah, this will just be my base, and I'll see what I'll put on top of it. So another shirt that I'll be wearing during my Disney park days you might recognize from my Christmas haul, which I'll link above. So it's my Phantom of the Opera, the Hundreds, just tee, so I'll be wearing that with layering pieces as well, and just to be comfortable and repping my love for Phantom of the Opera at Disney. So I'm really feeling like graphic tees on this trip, obviously. So to add to that, I'm bringing my Freddie Mercury shirt that it still has tags on it, but I got it on Etsy, and I believe they do sell it. I mean, it's official like Freddie Mercury merchandise on the tag, but I believe that they sell it at Hot Topic as well online. So yeah, I'll be wearing this, and I thought this would look really cute with those plaid pants as well. I think that'd be a cool outfit. So I'll be mixing and matching these with the jeans and the plaid pants as well. And for those days that I just want to get out of a t-shirt, I am bringing this Victorian blouse that I got in a recent haul. Yeah, this looks really cute with those plaid pants, and it's just something a little different because I was really feeling all the graphic tees for this shirt, but I also wanted to do something different with that. So yeah, so this will be definitely being worn with those plaid pants. So as layering pieces for the days I'm wearing my t-shirts, I brought 2 denim button-downs. The darker one is from Old Navy, which I took on my European trip, and I got a lot of use out of that. And then this lighter one, which is from American Eagle, was from my most recent clothing swap haul. So I haven't worn it yet, so I'll be getting some use out of that on my trip. So these will just be, like, because I said the weather at this time of year in Florida can be a little erratic, and it does seem it's going to be kind of cool, and I don't like to be cool, I like to be warm, so I tend to dress a little bit warmer than the weather. So yeah, so these will be good to keep me not from getting chilly. So onto outerwear. So I'm bringing 2 pieces of outerwear. One is definitely going to be for my Disney days. I'll be bringing my Beauty and the Beast book bag, and this will be in there for when it gets chilly at night. So yeah, so this was also in my Christmas haul, and it's just my Beauty and the Beast pullover hoodie. It's not too thick, but yeah, I think it will be good for those cool nights at Disney. So this will be what I'm wearing at Disney at night. And for all my other days, I am bringing my thrifted beige trench that I got at Goodwill. So it's very versatile. It'll go with you know, the more dressy Victorian top that I brought, and then all my tees. It will look great with those. So, and also the pair of shoes that I'm bringing are just my white high top Converse. So those always look really good with this. So I think everything's gonna gel really well together with the pieces that I'm bringing. So last but not least are the accessories that I'm bringing. So for my Disney days, I am going to be bringing my little Beauty and the Beast stained glass crossbody, which my friend Jerry got me for Christmas. So this was in the Christmas haul as well. Getting a lot of use of all my Christmas stuff at finally. So yeah, so I'll be wearing that during my Disney days. And then when I'm not at Disney, I will be wearing this, which is in my last thrift haul, this Forever 21, I believe. Yeah, this Forever 21 just brown crossbody. It was in really good condition. It looks very vintage, but I think it'd be a nice kind of juxtaposition to my graphic tees that I'll be wearing, and I think it would go well with my trench. So yeah, those are the purses I'll be bringing. So of course I can't forget the most important accessory when you're going to Disney World. Your ears. So these are my Beauty and the Beast, or Belle Ears I should say. Get you a closer look there. They are custom made. So I got them off Etsy, and the girl that made them had just so many different kinds, like cool, unique ears to take to the park with you. If I can, it was a few years ago, so if I can find her account, I'll link it below so you can check her out. Because obviously you can't get these in the parks, so you have a nice little unique Disney item to wear. And I've gotten a lot of comments when I've worn them to Disneyland. I haven't taken them to Disney World yet, because I haven't been back to Disney World in 5 years. When I went to Disneyland, quite often I go, I get a lot of comments on them and people asking where I got them. So yeah, they're you know, there's a few of these out there, I'm sure, but yeah, you don't see other people wearing these in the park, so that's cool. So of course, can't forget these on my trip to Disney. I'll also be packing a pair of workout shoes and some workout outfits so I can keep up on my exercise when I'm on vacation. But yeah, other than those things, I've shown you pretty much everything that I'll be bringing along on my week-long Disney vacation, which I will be vlogging my days at Disney, so look for that coming up soon. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm going to bring on my trip, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.